Alright, so today is Tuesday, December 3rd, 2025. It's currently like 7:44 in the morning. I literally just got home from work. I wanted to be off work 2 hours ago, but I ended up staying again for another 10-hour shift somehow, which annoyed the crap out of me. The truck wasn't even that big, realistically. It was, 13 pallets total. 3 went to meats, which means I had 10. I got rid of the 10. I ended up with actually with less. I ended up getting rid of 9. And I ended up going over to Frozen, where I spent the rest of the day. It's the part that annoys me. The rest of the day, helping them. By that, I worked 1 cart and I binned everything. That part kind of was annoying, but it was better than last week, so I can take that. And it was all overtime, so. But yeah, one of the things I wanted to do after I got off work was buy a Lego set. And I did. I bought a 96 piece, or the GT, the Ford GTR, or whatever it is. It was $100, so it wasn't bad. It's the 421/54 series. It's 1,466 pieces, which that's going to be super dope to play with, to build. One of the things I also did, I forgot about everything that was coming in. I still don't know what all I ordered. A lot of my Amazon packages apparently showed up last night. So this is my 3-pack of my sleeveless hooded hoodies for the gym. They're by Neeless. They're pretty cool. Actually, let me open this up. Show you guys. I've been looking at these for a minute and I just never pulled the trigger. Now I did because I was like, fuck it, who cares? So they're sleeveless, the hoodie. Unfortunately, on the front they say Neeless. I'm not a brand kind of guy, but nonetheless, they're for the gym. I kind of been wanting to wear a hoodie. So yeah. Whatever this is, I don't remember what I ordered. It's liquid. So yeah. God damn it. Not 100% certain. Where did it go? There it is. My blade sucks, by the way. My work blade. That happens quite often. Where it just comes out of the thing. You know, been a fan of the Gerber for a while now. Okay, that's what it is. So I bought paint so I can start painting this. I got black for that. Let's look at what these are. And I got red. Not sure what several of these are. To be honest with you, it should not have bought. So there's I bought crimson. Because, yeah, why not? Whimsical. Let's look at this. I'm not sure what this is. Or I know what this is, actually. Now that I think about it. No, I don't. Okay, so I bought more thermal compression shorts or pants, because hey, it's cold. There's snow on the ground right now. It snowed the other day, so I bought some more, just because I don't feel like I have enough to last me 2 weeks. Okay, and then I also got a snow jacket too. New snow jacket. Because quite frankly, the one I have is way too large for me. And then, so, I bought a new one and I thought it looked cool, so I bought it. And it was like $60. All these are Amazon, obviously. My leg was twitching and I thought my work phone was vibrating, which was super weird. And then, okay, and then I got paintbrushes because I can't paint models without paintbrush. So I finally pulled the trigger on that. So let me clean this up a little bit. Sorry, Legos. So, and then this bad boy. I know exactly what this is. I saw these the other day and I thought they were pretty cool. And I was like, I should buy them. And I have to unfortunately test to see if they fit out or fit. But you know the logo. You know the logo. These are the Comanche boot by Osiris or DVS. And instead of my normal black, I went with the gray tone. So I have to test these out, make sure they fit. I already know the compression pants are gonna fit, and the snow jacket should fit too, so awesome. But yeah, pretty dope day. Forgot how that was coming in. Forgot about how much shit I ordered because I walked up on the porch and I went, Jesus Christ, what the fuck did I order? I completely forgot about half my orders. So yeah, didn't see the cute OGP girl. I'm assuming it's your night off, so it is what it is, whatever. Didn't see my favorite customer, so it is what it is. But yeah, it was my Saturday, tomorrow's my Sunday. I'm gonna work out, I gotta do laundry, clean this place up a little bit, and I'm gonna sit here and work on the Lego set. I'm gonna start after I eat. So, of course, again, it's pizza, and you know, my ADD is just like, this is what you want, this is what you're eating, so that's what I've been eating. Anyways, I'm gonna watch some Bob's Burgers till I'm done with the show, and start the Lego set. So, I shall catch y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow, wow, that was weird. I shall catch y'all tomorrow. Later. GoPro, stop recording.